Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing a powerful air purifier for home large rooms up to 2,250 feet ft², designed for people who need cleaner air in bigger spaces. If you have an open living room, apartment, office, or family area and want stronger air circulation with advanced filtration, this purifier could be exactly what you need. One of the biggest highlights is the large room coverage of up to 2,250 square feet. That means this purifier is built for spacious homes and larger environments where smaller purifiers struggle to keep up. It continuously refreshes the air, helping maintain a healthier indoor environment across a much wider area. This model uses a dual 3-stage filtration system featuring a washable pre-filter and a True HEPA filter. The washable filter helps trap larger particles like pet hair, lint, and dust, reducing wear on the main filter and helping extend filter life. Then the True HEPA layer captures fine airborne particles such as pollen, smoke, dander, and allergens. This multi-layer design creates a smarter and more efficient purification process. Another premium feature is the built-in AQI display. AQI stands for Air Quality Index, giving you real-time feedback about your room's air condition. Instead of guessing when the air feels dusty or stale, you can actually see the purifier respond and track indoor air quality changes throughout the day. Auto mode adds convenience by automatically adjusting fan speed based on detected air quality. If pollution rises from cooking, pets, smoke, or open windows, the purifier increases performance. When the air becomes cleaner, it slows down to save energy and reduce noise. This makes it ideal for hands-free everyday use. Sleep mode is another major advantage, especially for bedrooms. It lowers noise levels and dims distractions so you can sleep comfortably while still enjoying continuous air cleaning overnight. If you wake up congested or sensitive to dust, this can be a valuable feature. The design is also practical for families with pets, children, or allergy concerns. Cleaner indoor air can help reduce irritation and improve overall comfort, especially in homes where doors and windows remain closed for long periods. Overall, this air purifier for large rooms up to 2,250 feet ft² offers impressive coverage, washable filtration savings, True HEPA protection, AQI monitoring, auto mode convenience, and sleep mode comfort. It's a smart upgrade for anyone serious about improving indoor air quality in larger spaces. If you want cleaner air across your home, this one is definitely worth considering. Buy now using the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for more daily reviews.